Rocky's giving Tiny a bath. He's like, I love you, Tiny. She's like, I love you, Rocky. Say good morning, everybody. They love each other. Gives her a kiss. For a love bite. Basically what it is. Oh, there's gonna be some clean ears, huh? Another love bite. Check, I love you. Thank you. Oh, they're starting to play. Oh, no. No, Tiny. No. No. Arf. 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 Say, come here. I just want to give you a hug. I just want to give you a little hug. Oh, Rocky's probably going to pounce on her. No, Domino's in the closet. Thought I heard Domino. He's the king of the cats. The room's a mess. Of course. All the cat toys. Say hi. Patches. He's bird watching. See if we can get a shot. Yeah, see, look how happy he is. There must be a bird out there. Cat TV. Oh, what was that? Oh, it just flew by. Oh, you can see the birds. There they are. You can see what he sees. Yeah, the window's dirty. That's from their little noses. I gotta clean it. The birds are out there looking for food, and he's just like, oh, I want to get them. I want to get them. I want to get those birds. No birds were harmed in the filming of this. Of course. Yep, there's still one way over there. It's kind of hard to see through all the nose stuff. You can barely see it. It's walking away. If it was up closer, he'd be going nuts. There's Tiny. Say hi. Oh, that was so cute. Saying hello. Say hi, everybody. Say hi. Yeah. Rocky's in there. Oh. There's his little favorite toy right there, the chinchilla. Hi, Patches. Hi, Patchy. What you doing? What you doing, Patches? See nothing. Oh. Well, that's about it. They start playing or something, I'll record. Aw. He's trying to steal her toy. Nope. Just checking out. See, not much going on. We're just hanging out. Alright. See. Bye, guys. Aw, he's so cute. Oh, Patchy Tiny play action. She's trying to run. Her mouse is full of catnip. Oh. Tiny's watching some cat TV. Am I disturbing you? I'm sorry. I'm disturbing her. Now she's smirking. Does your cat smirgle? Yep. Alright, well that's it for now.